How to unlink TikTok business account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile. Once you're in here, click on the three horizontal line at the top right corner and then move into Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the Settings and Privacy, simply move into Security and Permissions. And then move into Manage Devices. If you have been logged into other devices as well, simply log out. In order for you to log out from other devices, simply click on this delete icon and then it will be removed. Once done, now head over to Apps and Services Permissions. If any of the application is connected on TikTok, then you need to remove it as well. Once it has been removed, now go back to your previous page of settings and then move into account at the very top. If you're on business account, you'll see the option of switch to personal account. All you gotta do is click on it and then once again click on confirm. After that, your business account will be unlinked and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.